How to use Photoroom for Instagram post. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use it for different Instagram posts. So first of all, open the application. Now here on the top you can see this search bar. Simply tap on the search bar. Now simply type Instagram. So here different suggestions will pop up. Now you can simply select a template here. Now I have selected one. Now in order to use your own photo, simply tap on this replace button. Now simply enter the photo that you want to replace and it will automatically skip the background and it will enable your photo. Now you can do different type of edits for your Instagram post. Now in order to have Instagram Reels or other premium version, you must have this pro version and buy it from this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.